If you have an iPhone with a low sound produced from the speaker or Earspeaker, then how you can easily fix it at home? This is not a software related issue. Did you face like on a silent place you can hear low sound, but while in a noisy place so much hard to hear the sound? The problem is that on a single call you have and searching for a silent place. This fix is so easy and simple that you can do it from home and with some tools. We have an iPhone that produces a very low sound that can't be heard easily, and even in outside so much low sound. That clearly shows that have related to Earspeaker problem. When I receive the call and after accepting, the sound is extremely low even on full volume. Here you can see a metallic grill over the Earspeaker. While on daily use, the dust goes to the speaker vents and plug. So you have to clean it on time to time. Otherwise, the speaker was blocked and produced a muffled sound. If you don't clean it time to time, then air pressure makes speaker damage. That result, you have to replace the Earspeaker and is costly too. You have to clean the dot on time is the solution. How you can easily clean it? Here you can use the simple tool, the needle, the brush. Needle must be small that can easily go through the hole. Don't use force. This may damage or break the protection from inside. If the dot was badly stuck on them, then you have to disassemble your iPhone to clean it. Clean all those vents one by one and use a brush to clean them. After doing this result on your hand, you don't even think how different hearing is. You can hear from far. The main intention of the video is to warn every iPhone user who have such issues, and if they do that process on time, that can save money by doing their own. Nowadays iPhone 11 to 13 Pro Max Earspeaker was damaged so many. Why this happened? The speaker was packed from inside and the way was blocked. causing speaker damage. So, better clean after 1 or 2 months always. Hope you can easily fix the low sound problem on your iPhone by these easy steps. Don't forget to share with friends, that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.